Hello, I'm Muttonstyle and today I am doing a video on Box of Style. Now if you want to know how Box of Style works, just look up here. I'm not going to tell you in this video. Instead I'm going straight on to unboxing. Here it is. It is not a big box in the grand scheme of things. It's not as big as FabFitFun. It's not as big as Stitch Fix and Lucky Euro. It is probably 2/3 of the size of those boxes. But inside it is quite a bit of excitement, because the only reason I got this box is because I saw others unwrapping this box and what they got in it, and I thought that's a really reasonable price for those items. So let's have a look and see what I thought was a reasonable price for these certain items. Box of Style. Right then, let's see what's inside. I know what's inside and I am very excited. If I can get into it. Let's see. What do you get in? Oh, it lifts up. It lifts up. The lid lifts up. So inside there is a style guide, and that is, I assume it's Rachel Zoe, because Rachel Zoe is a big thing and it's her box. And in this book is a bit of information about what's in the box. Let's see. Here we go. There's information about what is in the box. So, what did I think was so exciting in this box and such a reasonable price that I had to have this box shipped over from the US? It actually came in just a couple of weeks, that wasn't bad. So, let's do the least exciting first, shall we? We'll move on to the very exciting. Rachel Miriam in a plastic bag. And this, oh yes, I thought this was useful. I do agree that this was useful. This wasn't a surplus item that I thought we wouldn't get much use out of. This is a card wallet for your credit cards and things, and often I think it's lovely. I have got some of those anti-scan cards that you can put either side of your cards. I've shown them in a video, travel video that I've done. I'll put it up here. And I thought a little wallet like this to put my cards in when I've got a small bag. I don't need to take every card out with me when I'm going out, and put the scan cards either side, anti-scan cards either side. Perfect. So I really, that was something I thought was really good in the box as well. And it is genuine leather, actually. It says on there, R&M, genuine leather. So if you're vegan, this isn't for you. Now the second item that was not exactly what I bought it for is Shani Darden texture reforming. So it's like an exfoliant cream lotion. And this has got quite a hefty price on it, so that's good. The pricing on the box is good value. This is good value. I'll put the prices down here. Do a bit of research for you. Marc Jacobs lip gloss. Marc Jacobs lip gloss. Again, this was not particularly what I bought the box for. But let's see what colour this is. Everybody got the same colour. Actually, it's quite a nice autumn colour there. Actually, I don't want to swash it on my hand. It will, I don't want to get the stick dirty there. It looks quite a sticky gloss, but we'll see. The items in this box have been carefully selected by a stylist, so one assumes that this is actually quite a good gloss. That's it. Lip gloss, the exfoliated leather. That's 3 things, because there are 5 things in the box. Now, what I particularly had wanted are these 2. This is jewellery by Danijo. Let's unwrap it. Bear with me as I unwrap it. Look at that. Let me see that. Oh, isn't that lovely? Sort of like a chain necklace. I'll put this on. But statement jewellery is coming back. And so I really liked that. I've seen others wearing this. I've seen others getting this in their box. I thought it was just a really gorgeous necklace. Yeah, I wanted this necklace. Very pleased with that. You will see this on lookbooks. It's quite light. It's not. It looks chunky. It is chunky. It looks chunkily heavy. It's not. Won't break your neck wearing it. And then the other thing that I had particularly wanted was this bag. And this bag is by Winters, JJ Winters. But it's just such a nice little size. It's got adjustable straps, it's crossbody or shoulder bag. Just a nice little size. Take the protection off that brassy bit there. There. I fell in love when I saw this bag and I saw the necklace and in other people's boxes. I fell in love and had to have this. So it was shipped over from the US, and so if you want to know how this works, then click on this video at the end, and that's how I'll explain how Boxer Style works. I hope you enjoyed my unwrapping and unboxing of my first Boxer Style box, and I'll see you in another video.